Yeah, thank you. Welcome back. If you have not liked this channel, like, subscribe, follow, then leave your comment there. So very first we look at the backstroke reverse taxation, whereby the question goes by Kendi is entitled to a personal leave of 3,000 per month. That is the net tax of 8,000 per month, and she is then deducted the following. We have NHIF 300 per annum. We have a pension of 1,000 per month and a loan of 500 per month. Then you are given a table here as taxable income in Kenya shillings but per annum. Then you are given the rate here 10, 15, 20, 25. So you are told the question is calculate Kendi's net salary per month. So remember you are given your variables here per month, in month. Then here in the table you are given in annum or per year. So we first start by calculating the tax payable by this guy, that is Kendi, per month. So total tax payable per month is net tax plus the relief. That is, and down up on the side here, 8,000 plus 3,000. This gives you 11,000. Then we can convert this amount from month to per year, so that we have 11,000 times 12 to give us 132,000. Then total tax payable per annum will be 132,000 Kenya shillings. For us to get now taxable income, or the taxable income, what was taxed to give us this 132,000, we start now from our table by finding the taxes, how this amount was paid per annum. In the first case, you are told that between 1 and 5,000, this guy was taxed 10%. So you find 10% of this amount. Between this one and this, between 1 and 5,000, we have a gap or a difference of 5,000, so it is 10% of 5,000. Then between 5,000 and 1 and 10,000, we have a gap value of 5,000, so you get 15% of that 5,000. We have that one. Then between 10,000 and 10,000 and 1 and 20,000, we have 10,000. Then 20 percent of 10,000, you have 2,000. If you want the 3 now, if you want the 3, you have not hit this target, so you continue. But how do you continue? You are told for 25%, that is the amount that varies or that goes above or over 20,000. Remember, we are taking we should pick this value. We can pick a value y, which we should minus to get this value x here. So if you pick this value minus this 20,000, should give you this amount, which now we don't have, or we don't know. We don't know this amount, we don't know this, but we have the rate here, which is 25%, and we have 128,750. When did this came from? The total tax payable per annum ni 132,000. Yes. So if you want the 3 bracket, which are giving you 3,250, then you minus from this amount, which is this one. You have the tax remaining. That is the tax remaining to be paid. That is 128,750. That is the origin of this value. So you have this value and you have this rate. So what do you do to compute this value or even this value? You come and say, you just say simply 25%, the 25% of x, 25% of the gap between the two should give you this amount. So the 25% of x should give you 128,750. So you just multiply with the reciprocal of 25 over 100, or the reciprocal of 25%. This one cancels, then you are left with x equals to that one. So the value of x here will be 515,000. So the gap between here is basically 5. Let me just write it here. This is x, so the value of x will be equals to 515,000. And remember, this is Kenya shillings per annum. So for you to get the total tax, or the taxable income. The total taxable income is you just pick this value, which is the difference here, then you end with what is here, because remember in the forward taxation, the final value you used to pick this final value minus this one, but now we are reversing. So you pick this 20,000 plus x, then which will yield, or which will give you 515,000 plus 20,000 to give you 535 Kenya shillings. So for us now to get the net tax, remember you asked to find the net salary per month, not net tax, but the net salary. So for us to get the net salary, you just pick the taxable income, you minus the deductions. The deductions we are given NHIF are of 300 per month, 1,000 per month, that is pension, and 500 per month for loan repayment. So the total deductions will give us this amount, then you multiply by 12 to convert it into per annum. So these are the deductions. So the net salary will be the taxable income minus the net salary will be the taxable income minus deductions, which is 117,600, which gives us 417,400 divided by 12. Why are we dividing by 12? We are dividing by 12 to convert back from annum to per month. So you get this value, which is Kenya shillings 34,783.33, which can be written as roughly 34,783 Kenya shillings. Remember to add Kenya shillings before. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. Subscribe, like, share, and even leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Goodbye. We meet in the next video.